Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the shoe that I bought from Nike, which is the CLOT Jordan 13 Low. Let's get it. These two opened the box already, so let's get on with the shoe. I haven't seen the shoe yet. Comes the receipt. Oh, wait. Let's do this. Whoops! Oh, sorry. There you go. This is the box. Air Jordan 13 Low, size 8.5. I bought this one for $200.
What?
$200. Yes. So you can see the box. On this side, you see the Jumpman logo, and then beside it is the word CLOT, and then down here you can see the CLOT logo. The gold one is the CLOT logo. The next one is the number 23. This one, and this one says Jordan.
Jordan, can you see?
Okay. The box is kind of rough, but it looks like it's a good, durable box. Well, yeah. Be careful.
Okay.
First up,
A picture.
she was saying a picture. This is a picture of the terracotta warriors from China.
Wow.
The back of the logo, you got the Jumpman logo and the CLOT logo. Let's open up the shoe.
Wow. That's the shoe. Now that's what I call a shoe.
International brand and retailer CLOT's Air Jordan 13 pays tribute to the co-founder and creative director Edison Chen's youth days, which he spent between between Hong Kong and Canada. Chen chose to work on Air Jordan 13 because it was his go-to shoes during his high school basketball career, and remains his favorite shoe up to this point. To honor his Chinese heritage, he drew from the recent visit to the Lintou County, Shanxi Province, where the terracotta warrior statues have been remained for more than 2,000 years. And then to replicate the oxidation of that terracotta earthware, the CLOT Air Jordan 13 Low uses a sepia stone color, TerraBlust color, and canteen colorway. Now, what that means, I have to research about that colors. And I found out that TerraBlust color is this color right here. And then the canteen colorway is this one right here. That's the canteen colorway. And then the sepia stone is right on the toe box. That's the sepia stone colorway. For me, actually, it's just light brown. And it's like peach color. That's how basically when I first saw this shoe, that's what I thought of the colors. But this shoe is actually a great looking shoes. Looks like a high-end shoe. Now, you see the suede? This is suede. The suede is really nice. Soft and smooth suede. And then with the subtle nods, it says the subtle nods to MJ come through in the side panel. So you see the blocks or the nods over here. See that one? And then when you see the dots, it's actually alternating from 2 and 3 dots. See that? There's 3, there's 2, there's 3, and 2. That's number 23. of the MJ's number. And then now with this shoe, on the tongue, on the right foot, you can see the CLOT logo. It's like a medallion CLOT logo. And on the left shoe, you can see the gold Jumpman logo. Let's take this off. Right there. Man, this is really soft and nice. Okay, and then at the heel, on the left shoe, you can see the CLOT logo again on the left shoe, and on the right shoe, you can see the gold Jumpman logo. On the nuts right here, see those nuts? Each of them got stitches all the way through. You see that? Stitches all the way, all of them got stitches. That is a nice touch of them. And then these nuts right here, the blocks, they got the design from the Terracotta Warriors armor. Let me show you the pictures. This is the pictures. You see how their armors is? The blocks right there. And guess what? They're wearing what? They're wearing the CLOT Jordan 13 lows. All of them.
That's pretty silly. That's what I call people with shoes.
Alright. Okay. And then with the outsole, they got a translucent outsole. And then on the right shoe, you can see the Jumpman logo over there. Is it hologram? The right shoe, you can see the gold Jordan logo over there. And then on the left shoe, you can see the CLOT logo. On the midsole, you can see the translucent midsole. And then on the inner part of the shoe, you can see the Jumpman logo. And then the shoelace is the Terra Blush color or the peach color to go with your side panel right here. So, and then you can see the Jordan brand right there, the Jordan logo right here on the front. Let me see. The Jordan 13 starts putting the numeric number underneath that logo. And I guess with this one, it's no exception. They have the number 13 numeric logo over there. Numeric number, not logo, sorry. Numeric number. There you go. Number 13. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's it with this shoe. Please click the like button if you like this video. And then I ask if you can subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this shoe? If there's any suggestion. And oh, I think there is one colorway of this, the CLOT Jordan 13 Low, which is the bread colorway. I am not sure if they're gonna come out in the US, but I think they did came out in China. So let's watch out for that one. So again, thank you for watching, and till my next video, have a good and prosperous 2019. So have a good 2019.
Good. You get it. I get them.
Okay, bye bye. This is the CLOT. It's a fashion design brand, and oh wait.
Yeah, my little brother just fell down and they got hurt.
What? You okay?
Yeah, guys.